Right, here's the start of my trading day, and taking a look at this stock here. Pulled it up, came up on the scanners, and see there I looked for my entry and didn't take that one because I don't have a 10-second pullback. I mean, looks like I should have took it. I'm still waiting, and I buy there, support off of 9. It broke through that whole dollar there, and we'll see here that I should have waited. To pull back a couple little 10-second candles here. There, I probably should have stopped out. I'm gonna hold it through this. This is my Webull account, and just take one trade in here, and then I switch over to the main account. Still holding. We only got 12 shares here and at 9.11. And there we go. There's confirmation resumption. See? Still could have gone at the same price, but waited for that 10-second pullback. Could have been a cleaner trade. My entry is just too early. Thought about selling half, but it's holding out there. Still holding. And I get a little bit of push higher. See, whenever I hold this shift button, this pops up, this screen here. So I sold half there. Took a little bit of profit off the table. And I'm pretty much just gonna see if I can get some more out of this. I'm blocking the 1 minute chart there while I'm holding shift. I'm just like ready to bail out. There's another push higher there, sold another half. Pretty much I'm like pulling half off the table every time it jumps. A nice pop there. Pulling half off the table whenever it jumps above the half or whole dollar mark, and I'm looking to hold the rest. See if it drops below a half or whole dollar. Selling on the way up. Yesterday I had a trade where I could have taken some more profit out of the market, but I didn't wait for a red-green candle. But this topping tail here on the 1 minute is the exit sign. So there, I'm out of that. I switch over to my main account here, pull up that stock, like immediately, but wasn't much going on. So my next trade will be coming up actually on the same stock here, but it was a loser, big loser, 67 cents a share I lost. But that one was good. I averaged a little over $1 a share on that first trade there. All right, so I'm in this next one here. I was looking for the break of 28 or something like that. It was like a flat top there, and once it broke above, I hopped in 1040 and just sold off. I tried selling, got a rejection. I tried selling at $10, I believe, got a rejection, and ended up selling at 9.73. All right, so this is my next trade here. A little break of VWAP. It broke and then pulled back, or kind of hovered around VWAP. I could have bought way before, but it is what it is. Still no 10-second red candle until this one here, which I'm already in, so in a little early. This is like a flat top almost. I don't get much on this trade here. I think like 8 cents. In 100 shares. It's kind of hovering here. I'm just waiting. And I just decide to bail out of this. Nice break of VWAP. I mean, going up, I'm looking for this like double top up here at the top. I think it was like 511. Regardless, 11 on the unrealized. Hopped out of that one there. It's like stalled out. See on the 10-second chart, these candles just got real small. And I got out on time, you know, it started reversing. So I took a little bit of profit there. Here's the next trade here. Same stock, just a little while later. Bounced right off of VWAP. I mean, my entry should have been at the bottom of this green candle if I was going to take this. Double bottom, and then first candle make a new high. Would have been solid. But got in and out of that one. Small loss. I think $4. Actually, that was my entry there. So I missed that one. Hopped in late. Man, could have been a good trade. Didn't sell here. Holding, hoping. Big red. Still holding. I should have been out of this. Still holding. Man. At some point I just pull the plug here. Definitely a FOMO trade here. Still could have got out green right here. 10 unrealized. Man. I'm holding this one way too long. Guess that's a good thing. Been recording my trades. I haven't been recording them. I get to watch back what I'm doing. I mean, in the moment, it seems like it's going so fast. There we go. Finally out of that. Bailed out. Could have been a lot worse. Could have been a lot better, too. You know? And then it just rolls over hard. At least I got out before that. All right, here's my next stock I traded here. And I'm looking for this little break of this red candle here. At least the selling volume on this red candle is smaller. Flips to green, back to red. And I punch it there. Some support off 950. Got out half. I don't want to be in this too heavy. Ooh. This is a ugly trade. Just two ugly trades in a row. Fortunately, this one works out in my favor. It's down like 50 cents a share, I think. I think at this point, probably started sweating. You know, feel my hands getting clammy. Finger on the sell button, trying to bail out. It's such a small account that it can just blow up so fast, especially on 100 shares. All right, flips in my favor here, but I didn't get out where I wanted to, or sell half. Take another half off the table up here. See, there it is. It's my best exit there. I mean, this stock was crazy. That's huge topping tail on the 1 minute, the second green candle. This one was a risky stock to trade for sure. But it ended up on the green side of it, and not my best trade. Got one more trade up coming up here after this one here. Here, just holding these 13 shares. $10 on a bid. Finally just pulled the plug on the rest of that. I'm gonna take my profits and go. Immediately checking my P&L. Alright, here's my last one coming up here. Got a little bit of flat top. This is the market open here. I hop in this one. Looking for the break of 5 after that 1 minute red candle. That's probably my best entry. I took half off the table quick because it wasn't moving. And I got out. I believe it reverses red, but that was probably my best trade. 1 minute pullback.